Did you know? During an emergency, it's crucial to use safe water to prevent illness. Always prioritize using bottled water if available, or treat water from an approved source before drinking. Boiling is the most effective method to kill harmful microorganisms. Boil water for at least 1 minute or 3 minutes if at altitudes above 6,500 feet. Let the water cool before using. If boiling isn't possible, use water purification tablets or solution, such as chlorine, iodine or chlorine dioxide, or unscented household bleach. Use 8 drops per gallon or 3.8 liters of clear water, or 16 drops per gallon or 3.8 liters of cloudy water and let it sit for 30 minutes. Avoid drinking floodwater or untreated sources like rivers and streams. Filter cloudy water through a clean cloth before disinfecting and store safe water in clean, sealed containers. Conserve water for essential needs like drinking and hygiene, and follow public health alerts regarding water safety. Regularly check stored water for any signs of contamination, and when in doubt, disinfect or boil before use. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed and stay safe.